beautiful coastal cottage with spacious open floor plan just minutes from the beach. This home features vinyl flooring throughout, stainless appliances, refrigerator and washer/dryer convey with the sale, large pantry and island, a split floor plan. The 2 guest bedrooms are at the front of the home on either side of the guest bath. Primary suite is located in the back of the home with large ensuite bath with a double sink vanity, soaking tub, 5 shower, walk-in closet. Home is built Gold Fortified, which may save buyers on their homeowner's insurance. A smart home package. Kensington Place is in a great location in Foley with quick access to the beautiful beaches of Gulf Shores and Orange Beach, but near shopping, restaurants, entertainment and all that Foley has to offer.